Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain that how we can retrieve data from the Google form which we have developed in the previous two videos. The first video was how to create a Google form for different purposes, and the second video was to provide option for uploading a file to the audience. And the link to those videos is given in the description of this video, so you can go and you can watch those videos before watching this video. Okay, so I will discuss this that how you can retrieve the data from the Google form which you created and you have sent to the audience, and you get back the information in those Google forms. There are two possibilities. One is you can just click and just write Google, and then you may write Google form. This is here, so Google Forms, and you can go here, click, and then go to Forms. So you will see different Google Forms here. You can see that, and this is just by the way, you can see different template that you can use for to collect the contact information, RSVP and party invite, T-shirt sign up, and event registration, and so on. So you can use this for different purposes, as we have discussed earlier in the first video of the series of 3 videos about Google Form. So this is one way that you need to go to Google Form, and this will show you the list. You have created the Google Forms already. You can just look at the bottom, and you can see that the data is given here. This is not the date of creation of this form. This is open in December 14, and this is open December 30, December 30, December 30, and January 2, 2025. So you can click any one of them, and then you will see that how you can retrieve the information. Just click on this one which we have opened recently as compared to the others. So this is your Google form, and you can see this is abstract submission for a third international conference in statistics and data analytics. And you can see there are questions, names, emails, phone number, and type of the presentation, and yes. So you can see you can see that these are the questions. Now this is the responses, and there were 68 responses, and you should see 68 responses to each question. Yeah, these are some names and so on, and this is abstract. You can see there are 58 more files, so 10 is shown already. So you can see these are all responses, 68 responses to each question. Now the question is how to download this data. One way is to just go to the Google and see, just go to the form and open the relevant file from which you want to retrieve the data, and you can do in this way. The other way is you need to write the address of that form. I mean okay, not like this. This is this one. You can copy and paste here. So this is, I just write the link to that form and click, because there can be a question, because you can see that in the form which you open directly from the Google, just going a few steps, and there were some responses at the top of the file, like you can see these three options here, and some these also here, but you cannot see those options like these thing here in this form. So from here you can see these options, because if you don't see those options, you cannot download or you cannot retrieve the data. You can see in the right bottom of this form there is an icon, edit this form. Just click on this, and then you will see those options. Yeah, so now you can see these options, and now you can use the same procedure to retrieve the data as we are doing here. Just click on the responses, and you will see the same layout as we can see here. So now you can do the same procedure. You can download, you can retrieve the data. Now just click on the three dots on the right top of this form, and you will see their download responses in .csv format. So you can download .csv format. Just click on this, and you will see you download all the data in CSV format. So you just click on this show in the for, and yes, you can click on this, and you can see this is the name of the file, which is actually from the name of the form, Google form, but I just give this name, untitled form. If you give a name to this form, this Google form, you will have a name for this file as well. Now you have the data in this file. You can analyze the data. You can explore whatever you want from the data. That's depend on your objective of your study. So this is the way you can download the data, retrieve the data from Google form. And suppose you want to download all abstract together, because in that file you will have the abstract. There will be a link to abstract in that CSV file, but not the abstract are not downloaded. You can go into each link and download each abstract separately. But there is another way you can download. Just look at this VVN folder, because this question is related to the abstract submission, and you can see there is abstract and in the name. Just click on this, and you will see you can see these are the abstract in different forms. Some are in MS Word format, and some are in Adobe Acrobat format. And abstract template, that was the name actually, for the question. So that's the name. And if you name it in different way, you will see a different name for this folder. So you can see that download and download here. So you can click and download, and this is preparing download. So you can download now all the abstract together. At the same time, you can, maybe 1,000 or 5,000 or 100 abstracts. You can download those abstracts together on one click. And if you want to download it separately, you can go to that Excel file, and you can go to a specific link, and you can download a specific abstract in that way. Okay, and you can download here. You can download specific abstract from here. This is an option, so you can just click and you can download a specific abstract separately if you don't need all abstract, because sometimes maybe you missed some abstract, or you just deleted some abstract mistakenly. So you can go and you can just click on that particular link for that abstract, and you can download it. Let me show you that the abstracts are downloaded together. So let's see. Okay, so this is the folder, and you can see abstract template. That's actually the name of the folder, and you can see these are all abstract downloaded at the same time on a single click, and you can see there are 68 items. So that means 68 abstracts are downloaded on a single click. So this is all about that, how we can retrieve data from the Google form. There are 3 videos. This is a 3-video series. The first video was about how to create Google form for different purposes. The second was how we can provide an option to the audience to upload some documents, and yes. And the third video is the final video, that how we can retrieve the data for analysis. You can see those 2 videos. The links are given in the description of this video. So I think this is enough for today, and see you in the next video. Ciao.